Your reputation is all that you have. As a business owner, you probably don't think a whole lot about your reputation within the insurance market specifically and amongst underwriters. But every underwriter that's ever gotten a submission on your account, they log that and they remember seeing that submission and what was submitted to them. And if they see a submission year after year after year, they basically start to think this guy's not legitimate, or they're just a price shopper. They don't really care about a relationship. I don't really want to offer a quote on them, or it's just not worth my time. The biggest problem I see business owners getting into is that you want to see some alternative quotes, or you want to get some pricing, which I've addressed in other videos about just hiring one broker. But when you let just a random broker knocks on your door and says, hey, can we put together a quote for you? And you say, sure, what's the harm in that? Well, they go to the market, they send a submission. Well, now it's another kind of check mark against your reputation out there in the marketplace. And now just add year after year of doing this. You've been in business for 10 years and you've had 8 different brokers send out submissions to the market. And underwriters just remember this, and there's a file on you basically. So it's like they're never going to forget. So they're going to look back and see what's been submitted, who submitted it, and start to ask some questions, and ultimately probably decide that you are really not worth their time, and that's your reputation. So there is some good news. You can fix your reputation, by kind of waking up and realizing how the insurance game is played and how the marketing side of the business works, hiring a broker to represent you, and having that broker tell the story of, in the past I didn't understand how this all worked. Now I've hired this broker because I understand, and I really want to create long-term partnerships going forward. And then you got to execute moving forward with your broker, right? You don't want them doing the same thing you were doing in the past. So it just starts with kind of recognizing how this works, making a decision, and then having the new broker that you pick or you hire, that you partner with, tell that story to the underwriters. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please share it with someone, give it a thumbs up, and appreciate you watching. Thank you.